Powers of 10 on Khan Academy, and we're going to work on multiplying and divide decimals by 10. This time I'd like you to try to solve some of these before we go through the answer. So 24.5 divided by 10. Try to think about what your answer would be. You can hit pause on this video if you need to, and then we'll come back and work on it together. Okay, so because it's divided by 10, we know we have to move the decimal one place. So now we just have to decide which way do we move it. Are we going to move it left or right? Well, division means we're going to move it to the left because I'm making that number smaller. Okay, so I'm taking that decimal and just shifting it right over to the left. So 2.45. Okay, 75 times 1/10. So we said, well, we can think about 1/10 as decimal 1, okay, or we can also think about that multiplying 1/10 is the same as dividing by 10. So go ahead and think about what your answer would be for this. And this one does get a little tricky. I have a lot of students who say, hey, there's no decimal in there. Remember, if you don't see the decimal, it's actually hiding right behind the number. So in this case, we're going to take that decimal that's after the 5, and we're just going to shift it over 1. So our answer is 7.5. 23.2 times 10. Try this on your own. Hit pause and then hit play when you're ready to hear my answer. Okay, so again, 23.2 times 10 means I'm going to move it one place, and because it's multiplication, I'm going to the right because I'm making that number larger. So 232 is my answer. And last one, 5.62 divided by 10. Try it on your own. When you're ready, hit play for the answer. So 5.62, I'm dividing by 10, so I know I need to move it one place over, and it's division, so I'm going to move it to the left. So 0.562 is my answer.